jumpers. Let's count the frogs on the log. One little froggy, green and bright, sits on a lily pad in the light. He gets ready for some fun. Now give a little jump. Just one, oh, it's the froggy counting jump, hooray! Let's count our froggy friends today. Now clap your hands a happy beat for all the happy frogs we meet. Here comes another, that makes two. They don't know what they want to do. They see a yummy little fly. Now jump up to the sky. Oh, it's the froggy counting jump, you see. Counting frogs for you and me. Now stomp your feet upon the ground and turn your body round and round. A third frog joins them, big and green, the happiest frog you've ever seen. He sings out loud, ribbit, ribbit, ree. Now give a little jump. That's three, oh, it's the froggy counting jump, what fun! Dancing in the morning sun. Now wiggle your fingers soft and slow and watch our happy numbers grow. A fourth frog hops, he wants to play and dance with friends the happy way. He looks around for something more. Now give a happy jump. That's four, oh, it's the froggy counting jump, we cheer. Our happy counting friends are here. Now tap your knees and have some fun. Our counting has just begun. Let's count some more, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the frogs are feeling great. Now 9 and 10 have joined the crew. A big jump for me and you. Our froggy counting's at its end. Goodbye, goodbye, my little friend. The frogs are sleepy, you are too. Our happy fun adventures through. You are a wonderful counter and jumper. That was so much fun, Ribbit. See you at the pond next time.